2003 Canadian 1 cent coin. Today, we're talking about something you've probably seen 1,000 times, maybe even used to have a jar full of them, the humble Canadian penny. But not just any penny. We're zeroing in on a specific year that holds a surprising story, the 2003 1 cent coin. It's the kind of coin that most people don't give a second thought to. It's too small to buy anything, and let's be honest, we all know they were eventually phased out. But the 2003 penny? It's a bit of a special case. It's a coin that marks a significant moment in Canadian history, and depending on what version you have, it could be worth more than you think. 2, as you'd expect. But what's interesting is the effigy. In 2003, the Royal Canadian Mint transitioned to a new portrait of the Queen. So, if you're looking at a 2003 penny, you're actually looking at a year with two distinct designs, where she's wearing a crown, and the newer, uncrowned portrait. This change means that if you're a collector, you're looking for both varieties to complete your set. On the reverse, we have the iconic maple leaf, a symbol that's been on the Canadian penny for decades. And this is where things get even more interesting. You see, the Canadian Mint produced millions of these coins in 2003. But they also produced something else, a small number of special, uncirculated coins. For the average person, a 2003 penny is still just a penny. You'll find them in your change, in old jars. They're not rare. But for a numismatist, a coin collector, a 2003 penny in pristine, uncirculated condition, with that new portrait of the Queen, could be worth a few dollars. It's a small jump in value, but it's a jump nonetheless. The real prize, however, isn't just the change in your pocket. It's the 2003 penny that's part of a special, proof, or specimen set. These coins were never meant for circulation. They were minted with a much higher quality, often with a mirrored background in frosted design. These can fetch a significantly higher price, sometimes well over $10, depending on the set and the condition. So, why is this so important? Because it's a great lesson in the world of coin collecting. The value of a coin isn't just about its age. It's about its rarity, its condition, and the story it tells. The 2003 penny, with its dual portraits and special minting, tells the story of a transition, a subtle but important change in Canadian coinage. So, the next time you're rummaging through a jar of old coins, or maybe you find a few in an old coat pocket, don't just dismiss the 2003 penny. See which portrait of the Queen you have. You might just have a piece of history, and maybe even a little bit of hidden value, right there in the palm of your hand. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments if you've ever found a valuable coin in your change. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!